Cooking with Pierre. Yeah, this is Cooking with Pierre.
Et bonjour, I am Pear, and welcome back to my kitchen. After very long time, it has been very long time that it has been. So in today's episode of Pear, we'll be baking a cake again, but this time it is different because the cake I will do the whole cake. Excuse my lack of able to speak because I am very drunk. I have had 8 glasses this morning for breakfast, and I plan to have 8 more before lunch. Well, I guess it's after lunch, so I have not done what I wanted. So let's get into it. We are been baking cake. So once you've got your wine that you will need, because you need wine to get loose and limber before baking cake. Obviously, everybody knows this. You will get your cake baking batter right here that I got from the supermarket, because I am not a baker. I am a chef. I mean, I also am baker, but I just too lazy to make from scratch. So I get that thing from store. Yeah, let's get into it. Alright, so now that you've got everything laid out, you'll need what do you need? You need 1 1/4 cup of water or milk. I am going to use milk probably. Probably not, but I don't know. You will need a half cup of olive oil, and you'll need 3 eggs. Let's get the eggs, shall we? I have to go get more wine, I guess. Make sure that you preheat your oven before you bake the cake or do anything that you have done so far. Do not even pour wine until you preheat your oven to 350 Fahrenheit. And I don't know what that is in Celsius, so figure it out. Alright, now that your oven is preheated to 350, or at least set to preheat to 350, you can now begin with your putting the ingredients. Make sure you take a sip of wine to make sure that you are loose and ready to roll. Just a sip. Alright, now you put your wine away so you don't spill that. And let's add our first ingredient. So, what you want to do, grab your eggs. You have 3 of them, and you try to crack them and look cool like this. Alright. Oh, God. Shit. Hey. Make sure you dispose of the eggs properly and wash your hands. As all good chefs should. You should always wash your hands. And now that you only have 1 egg left, so obviously you put the other egg in. Now look at that. You mess up 2 eggs, that's fine. Just move on and do the next one. It is perfectly okay. To mess up on 1 or 2 little egg, it is perfectly fine. Look at that bowl. Doesn't it? You can't see it, then I'm not going to show you because I'll spill all over my kitchen. Alright, now that you are doing it, you have to, the wine is really getting to me, so what you want to do to get rid of the drunk feeling that you are feeling is to drink more. No. The glass is meaningless anyway. That is the good stuff. Now you'll add your 1 1/4 cup of water or milk. I'm using water because milk is a commodity around here. Then you stop and take a wine break. Beer. Alright. So then you grab your this half a cup of olive oil. You pour that in there. Oh, perfect. No overspill. Oh no. Alright. I'll wash this table afterward. That's some strong stuff. Alright. So, what you're going to need to do is to grab your cake baking cat. You're going to take that open, throw that away because you don't need that. And what you've got here is cake. Alright, just had to go grab my opening utensil. You want to get it all to the bottom of the bag, hold it like so. Oh no, I got it in the olive oil. You wash your utensils after anyway. Alright, now just pour that in. Nice and good. Get it all in there. The bag, the hole might need to get opened a little more because you didn't slice enough with your opening. Your opening utensil. It is getting a little challenging to pick. Oh dear. And down I go. Alright, before you start your whisk out, the box it says to mix on medium speed for 2 minutes, but I do not have, there has been budget cut from Pear Studio, and I only have whisk. So I'm going to have to whisk on medium speed for like 10 minutes. Have to get the medium. It takes a little bit. You have to warm up the guns. But if you could smell this right now, you would be wanting wine, because that's what I want. It's going to be a slow process if I did not have wine. Got to get the air in that baby. Oh no! I know the perfect. You can't see that, but. So I've been mixing for about, I don't know. But I think the batter is pretty darn good. And for yes, it tastes like cake. So if you keep mixing, I just need to do this. So if you are done and you have the power mixer because you're a cool dude, then you'll grab your cake pans. Alright, now that this is done whisking, you can enjoy the batter. Make sure to clean up your mess. You don't want to, you have to leave kitchen in the exact same way you found it. Even though this is my kitchen, I am still in that rule. That is me as well. I need wine. How did this get over here? The oven's hot. So now that you've got your batter perfectly mixed up, take your pan and, give it a good squirt everywhere. That might be way too much pan. Anyway, want to get it nice and squirted in there, grab your spatula. I would recommend rubber. And then you take your bowl, you pour it in there, nice and good like. Oh yeah, that is good. Alright, get as much as you can, but you might want to leave some, because you get to lick it afterward. Nom nom, that's my favorite part. Put this in the sink, or you put all of your dishes, because you are a responsible adult. Ah, it went everywhere. Alright, so, as you can see here, I've got the cake batter in there. Take your cake and you put it in. It's hot. Put it in there, and while you wait, grab yourself a nice thing of wine. Sit back and relax. Put it in there, and every once in a while, wait till it rises a bit, and once you think maybe it'll be done, grab a toothpick, stick it in that baby, and pull it out. If it's wet, then no, but if it's dry, then yes, you take it out, and I will show you how to ice your cake. So now that you have gotten your cake out of the oven, and put it on there, you're going to need to put it on a plate. So, we don't need those anymore. We actually still do, but no, I don't. Now, it is time for what we in the business call the plate and switch. Alright, so undo the clipper thing, put this up like that, put this on the oven, and wait for it to cool down. Then you should get this off and let your cake cool down before you ice. Now, get a spatula to get underneath, to get it nice and good. You're also going to want one of these so you don't burn your hand while you do this. But it is a good thing that I have lots of Pam. I put lots of Pam on this, so it'd come off real easy now. I will be back once I do this. This is taking way too long, and it is stressing me out. Oh no! I'm out of wine! Oh no. Oh no. I have to go to the store. I'll be back. Alright, now that you've got your cake laid out, you need to let it cool down before you start the icing process. So wait about 20 to 30 minutes for it to cool down. Alright, now that you've got your cake and it has been cooled for in the fridge, I would recommend putting it in the fridge for extended period of time. And you've got it out and get ready to ice. But before you ice your cake, you need to take a drink. That was unexpected. Alright, so the first thing you will need is your icing. I have chocolate icing for my chocolate cake. Some may say that is too much chocolate, but I say I don't think so. So pop open that baby, grab a knife, or if you have a proper thing to ice this, get that. But I have a knife, so and slap that puppy on there and just try to get the first layer on. It might get a little crumbly, but once you have the first layer on, it shouldn't be as crumbly. This may be a little boring, but trying to make it the best cake I can, so it is going to be best cake I can make. A lot of icing is what I want because this smells very good, very good. It smells very good, very good, very good. It is very good, good. Would you look at that? That already looks like a good cake. It already looks like good cake on top really good cake on top, as I would say it, really good cake on top. Ah, where's my wine at? Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh dear. Alright, time to take a swig. Alright, it has been a long day for me. I'm going to finish up this cake here so I can go home and take a nap. Very hard job I've got here in the business. Yes. Oh no, that went everywhere. Have to make sure to get all of the around, get this side as well. You don't want to flake on the side. You don't want to do little bum hole on the side, not flake on it. Oh dear. Oh, where are you? Where did you go? Ah, there you are. All right. You get the side. Did I mention you have to get the side? Did I mention the side is what you need to get? Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh, it's good tasting frosting though. I don't know if you know this about me, but I'm very good at baking and I'm very good chef. No, I cannot. I need to give this to all of the customers out there that need this for me, product from me. I continue to ice the cake. And wine! You got to get a good dosage of wine in your diet. Ugh. Oh. Okay, now that the cake is iced, you can lick that down. Oh no. Alright, it is alright. I can manage for rest of video without taking wine break. So now that it is nice and iced, you want to go and get your sprinkles in your small containers, like every good chef has. What is this here? It is wine. Let I keep those around everywhere. Alright, you take your sprinkles and you get those nice and covered on your cake. Alright, there's one vial down. Alright, you want to grab your next vial and sprinkle that as well. That is all the sprinkles I have. And there you go. You've got your nice, beautiful cake that you have made yourself. And you are a professional cake baker. It is very good for you. So, in conclusion, I will see all of you in the next episode of Cooking with Pear. Le Pear.